Alright y'all, I just got off the ferry from Cozumel to Playa Del Carmen.
You want to get it?
Pak Chu! Pak Chu!
Come get it, girl, you get it.
Pak! Is your shop?
No, Mexico.
See y'all later. Bye. Alright y'all, this is going to be the last hurrah for the little supercar. Huh? Little rocket. Oh shit, stop sign. Let's take a look. Don't get no accident. I hate to have to pay for this guy. Alright, so anyway, this is the last hurrah for the supercar. I'm about to turn her back in and just looking for something interesting. I'm on the outskirts of town here. Not a whole lot going on. And let's see, Fiesta car rental. That ain't where I'm going. Let's see what we got here. There's some cars, car rental. Diego's Tacos. Diego's Tacos. Let's take a look. See any smoke? No, I don't see no smoke. Alright, from what I found from that last one with Puerto Morales, you find smoke, you find food. So let's just see if we can find some smoke in town. Man, this is the residential side of town. Let me hang you out the window so you can take a look. Yeah, cruise down the road with a supercar with me. We'll put the radio on, but I ain't got one. Got a hole for one. No smoke. All right, no smoke yet, guys. I'm still looking. Let's see. That's a rotisserie chicken. I don't see no smoke. Hey. Oh, she don't want to wait. All right, y'all. I think I hit the damn jackpot up here. I see the smoke. Take a look. I see some smoke up here. Damn. Let's see where I park at. Let's park right here. Oh, that smoke come out of that car? Surely not. No, there's a grill right here. Dang. I knew I smelled smoke. I hear music up there. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have to kill the sound. But y'all gonna see me get something off this grill. Okay, stay tuned. Oh, let's see what we got on the grill up here. I see smoke coming out right there. Oh, that looks good. Amigo. Wow, that looks good. Oh, bueno. Pollo. Pollo. Hey, right. No, how about just hot chew? Hot chew? Yeah, taquito. Un kilo. Taquito. Taquito. Small.
What do you want? Just for you?
Just for me, just a little bit. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Sería 90 en total.
90. Gracias, amigo.
Gracias.
What's the llamo aquí?
Pili,
Acero el bele.
Asadero.
Acero el bele. Okay, gracias, amigo.
Gracias. Buenas tardes.
Okay, thank you, buddy.
150.
Asado el. I got asado el bele, and they are really cooking some good stuff up. Good God. You need to see what the hell I got in this bag. Holy shit. Wait till you see what they give me. I don't know who in the hell I'm gonna feed it to. All right, let's put all this down. Get in the car. Let's get back in the supercar and I'll show you what's in the bag. Asado El Billy. And they got the damn smoke flying too. And the music playing. Okay, I got me a water. Let's look in this bag. Good God. Look at all that meat. Let's try it. Pak Chew. Smoked meat. Wow. That's so good. It's got lemon pepper on it. My favorite. I think that's good. Okay. Let's go turn this supercar in. And I'll see what we can get into. Ciao. Amiga. Tula Costa Pak Chew. Let's see if we can find somebody to get us Pak Chew. I can't eat all that. That lady didn't want to talk. No quiero Pak Chew. You like Pak Chew? You like Pak Chew? No? Okay. We'll find somebody like some damn Pak Chew. Maybe at the ice cream place somebody will like it. Alright, I got somebody right here. He's washing windows. Let's go help him out. Hey, amigo! 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 Come here.
What you want to do?
Pak Chew! Pak Chew!
I'll come and get it, girl. You want to do?
Pak Chew! Okay? Take it, buddy. Alright, obviously he needed help more than anybody. So, alright, Pak Chew was good. I'm sure he will appreciate it. Alright, let's go find that ice cream. I'm telling you what, guys, it is hot as pig balls out here. Whew, that Pak Chew. Let's see, I can't even see inside there. Hola. The ice cream? Achaka. Ice cream. Oh, wow. Lemon. Pistachio. Lemon? Is it good?
Limon?
Is it good? Bueno? Uno. You have cone? Cone?
No.
No? Only bowl? Okay, give me a bowl.
32.
Okay, whatever you want. It don't.
40.
It don't matter. I give it to you.
Okay.
See? You make this?
Nieve.
You make?
Nieve.
Yeah? Okay. Bueno. Okay. Go here, I'll pay for you. Pay aquí. Pay aquí. Okay. Hey, you want the money? Okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
30.
30.
Sí, 30.
Okay.
Fruity.
50.
Fruity.
Bueno,
Helado pequeño, ¿verdad?
ya. Bueno, gracias, amiga.
De nada, amigo. ¿Sonrió?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Whiskey.
Oh, YouTube. You're on YouTube now. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. YouTube. What's your name?
Mari.
Marie? Okay, thank you so much, Marie.
Christine.
Christine?
Christine.
And this is your shop? Is your shop?
No, Mexico.
Ah, see y'all later. Bye. All right. This is more like, I would say this is more like sherbet than ice cream. Let's take a try. See if I can hold the camera and this, and then try it. See what it tastes like. Wow, that's good. You can tell that is pure lime juice. Damn, that's good. I don't know if I've ever had anything like it. Reminds me a lot of like Italian ice. Damn, that's good. All right, guys. Adios, supercar. See y'all later. All right, y'all. I just got off the ferry from Cozumel to Playa del Carmen. I'll be staying back here for 2 days. Last day, I'll catch the ADO bus to the airport. So this will be it. There's the sign. Let's hit everybody across the way. And actually, I found a place. It's on Cali 2, which is like right dead beside the ADO bus station. Hopefully, it's gonna be good. Hey, check these guys out. They are cool. They ride around all day with them damn M16s. That's just looks badass. And at nighttime, they got these shows out here. It's actually pretty cool too. I didn't even know they did them during the day. Pretty cool. Let's go see how close this this hotel is. I think it's like an apartment or something. I'm not sure what it was, but it was really inexpensive. I mean, to be dead right here on 5th Avenue and Cali 2, we will see. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. You walk with me. All right, you can see right here as soon as we pull up, that is the ADO bus station. So if you come from Cancun or Tulum or airport, it's going to drop you off right here dead in the heart of Playa del Carmen. And tomorrow, that's where I'll go. Not tomorrow, next day. I'll go early in the morning, like 5 o'clock, and I'll jump on a bus. It'll take me straight to the airport, like $6. Super slick. All right, this should be Cali 2 coming up. There should have been one back there. Let's see where we at here. Should be 2. Got to be Cali 2. I don't see a sign, but it's got to be. I think one of these places here is where I'm staying.
Hey, chicas.
Playa Del Carmen, that don't sound right.